Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today's Battle of the Foundation was a requested foundation by Jackie, and she asked me to try out the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I've honestly never tried this. I've used their concealer before, but I've never tried this. So we're going to go ahead and do that. This runs $11.49 and it comes in 8 shades. I picked up the color Classic Ivory. And you don't get a full ounce in this one. You get 0.68 ounces, so a little less than a standard foundation would be. Now, I already own their Eraser Dark Circles one, so I'm going to use this. This runs $9.99. It comes in 12 shades, so it actually comes in more shades than the foundation does. And this is in light pale. But I also picked up the neutralizer one because I've heard Tati talk about it so much on her channel, and I thought I'd give it a try here too. It's supposed to help reduce the under eye dark circles, and I'm going to use that instead of my normal color correcting that I do. So to get the top off of it. Okay, so I've got it out of the package. Let me get my hair out of my face. I have been rearranging my room, and I don't know where my stuff is. So I don't know what I did with my other headbands that I have. Okay, so as always, I will do one side of my face with the sponge and the other side with my Morphe Y6. But as far as the concealers go, I'm going to use just my sponge on that. So let's start with the neutralizer. It's starting. There we go. Okay. Woo, that's very yellow. Okay. I think I got too much there. I don't know. I was expecting it to be more peach than yellow. Okay. I have to go in with just a little bit more. I did a better job on that side. Okay, let me put a little bit more on this side because I'm uneven. I think this is one of those concealers that works best if it has a chance to just kind of dry down. And while I do that, let me mention I'm using a different primer today instead of my No Problem. I picked up the travel size of the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. So I was in Sephora the other day exchanging out my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Foundation for the right shade. And the gal was asking me if I had tried it yet, and I said no. I said I want to get the, I think it's Smashbox Gripping Primer, and of course everybody's out of that, so I'm on the waiting list for it. She said, well, I have that, and I have the Milk, and I like the Milk one a lot better. I'm like, okay, let me try it. So I only got the small size because when the VIB sale comes up, that way I can go with the big size. Okay, that's interesting. I look jaundiced now. Okay. All right. Let's go in with the foundation. Once again, twist, twist, twist. Okay. Ooh, did I go too dark with this? The one thing about this is I can't find anywhere that says anything about like what the finish is or what type of coverage it's supposed to have. Let me tell you what they do say. Lovely. So, instantly erase fine lines, creases, and age spots with Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Treatment Makeup. It's the first anti-aging makeup combined with a patented micro-corrector applicator and a breakthrough formula with active ingredients. So, benefits. Patented microcorrector application microfills and smooths imperfections on the skin's surface. Super concentrated foundation with goji berries. And I looked up goji berries. The goji berry is supposed to help brighten your skin complexion, strengthen the skin's elasticity, and even out your skin tone. It also improves your skin's elasticity. It has an SPF of 18 sunscreen in it, and it's got clinically proven effectiveness. Doesn't say what it's clinically proven in, but it's something got proved on it. I don't know what it is. Okay, this looks really yellow on me. Really yellow. Damn. Not looking so hot. Hopefully it'll, let's try the brush side. Maybe we'll have a little bit better luck. It does also say on the instructions that you're supposed to wipe the tip of this off with a dry tissue. I guess that's supposed to help get rid of any germs and stuff. Because the tip of it is protected with a antimicrobial, I can't talk today, system. So it says don't wipe the applicator, just dry it off with a tissue. Alright, definitely need more on this side. Okay, with the brush, it's got a very, very sheer coverage. I still went in with my Tarte Clean Slate pore filling primer too. This is not looking so good, guys. It's looking really dry and blotchy and ugh. I don't know. Let me try using my fingers. See if the warmth of my hands will kind of help it blend in a little better. Well, that did a great job of just wiping that off. Holy cow. See right here? I just took all the makeup off it on my nose. Oh, that looks terrible. Let me zoom you guys in. You've got to see what this is doing to my skin. What? Oops, wrong way. Okay, I'm going to stand up so I can get a little closer for you guys. Alright. Alright guys, I'm back and I did go ahead and put the light pale concealer on just around my eyes. I've had a chance for this to kind of dry down, but it's still so tacky. So I was kind of hoping this would be one of those foundations that when it like warms up with your skin and settles in, it'll look a little bit better, and I think that's the case. So I've kind of held off applying any of my powders because it is kind of doing its thing. So let's go ahead and make sure I don't have any creases around the eyes. Around my eyes, I'm going to go in with my very favorite. It's the Joey Selfie Ready powder, and this is in translucent. By the way, that does come in also a banana and a peach shade as well. I have those as well, but I prefer this one. Alright, this is looking a lot better. I think I can salvage this, so let me go ahead and do the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back and I have all of my makeup on. You know, as much as I was disliking this, it's exactly like I thought it was going to happen. It just needed a little bit of time to like warm up to my skin and kind of sink in a little better. So now that I've had a chance to do that, I still have a few areas that look a little bit blotchy, but I can live with that. But it's looking pretty good. It's creasing a little bit in here. Like my marionette lines. Forehead's doing fine. So I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I'll have to play around with the neutralizer a little bit more. I still think I need a little bit of a peach tone or something because my eyes just look really pretty dark right now. So like I said, I'll mess around with that a little bit more. But this is the keeper, so just keep in mind it could be temperamental on your skin. And I don't know, maybe it was the fact I used a different primer, but I used this yesterday and I had no problems with it. Alright, thanks so much for watching, you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and do that. Thank you for my regular viewers who are back and watching as well. If you're new to my channel, I have an entire playlist on all of my Battle of the Foundations. And then I've also broken it down. I have one that's by drugstore and one that's by high-end. So go search for that. I have over 80 videos now of foundations that I've tried. If I don't have it on my list and there's something you'd like to see me try, please leave me a comment down below and I'll do my best to get my hands on it. Please don't ask me to go do a $100 foundation. I'm just not going to do that. So thanks so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, I love you all. Bye-bye.